I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the PS5 is up to date and that your keyboard and mouse are compatible. This prevents connection issues later. Once done, connect a wired USB keyboard and mouse to the front USB-C or rear USB port, or pair Bluetooth devices in Settings Accessories Bluetooth accessories. Make sure to use a powered USB hub if both devices draw current. You'll save time by verifying device LEDs and PS5 recognition immediately, so you know the system accepted them. You now configure how the PS5 interprets each device so input feels natural. Go to Settings Accessories, then adjust keyboard repeat delay /rate and mouse pointer speed. This changes responsiveness across apps and menus. Once done, open the game's control settings to remap keys or assign buttons. Many games ignore extra mouse buttons unless supported. If a specific mapping is needed, consider a licensed adapter, but test latency and fairness. Make sure dead zones and sensitivity are balanced for aiming precision. You finish by thoroughly testing in both menus and gameplay to confirm comfort and responsiveness. Always start in a low-stakes match. Once satisfied, save control profiles in game or note settings in PS5 menus and reboot the console to lock changes in. If something goes wrong, first switch ports and cables, then repair Bluetooth devices or disable nearby wireless interference. A single common troubleshooting tip. Try a different powered USB hub or the direct port. Many issues trace back to insufficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.